Good morning. I am drinking my protein coffee, and this is the last one of the old way I made it. So I will be drinking the ones that I made 2 videos ago in starting tomorrow. But it is 8:02, and I just thought I'd let you know this is what I drink. I usually start at about 6:15 in the morning. I start sipping on it, and I'm still sipping on it. Our town is under a boil water alert, so definitely going to be using bottled water today, and I'll make sure I adding my electrolytes, extra electrolytes, maybe help me from being quite so thirsty. We'll see. I don't know if that works or not, but anyway, that's where I'm at, and it is 8 o'clock in the morning. Hello, it is almost 11. I've drank two of these with water, and then I've added some of these LaCroix drinks to it. We have a little bit of water bottles here, but whatever. So I've got some LaCroix in here, and now time to eat. I have 6 ounces of steak and 6 ounces of 93% ground beef. I also have that salsa that I made a couple weeks ago. And so, yeah, that's what I'm having for lunch. And I'm just going to put some salt on it, and that'll be that. So, there you go. That's my lunch today. Oh, and for later on, I have 2 figs. This is the end of them. The others were like smushed. So for my supper, I've got 2 burgers and some zucchini veggies. So I'm going to sprinkle on some of this garlic herb and pepper and salt. Some of that. I'm going to put on the burgers. Usually I got the 1/4 of a burger in there. That's important, but I don't this time. I guess I ran out. I'm just putting on some Cicero adobo. And that's what I'll be eating for my main food. Then I'm going to have you know me, I get on the kick. I'm going to have some more of this rouse soup. So I'll, just in case you forget, 125 grams. Oh, fella. There we go. So 125 grams. And then with this, 1 serving is 60, so we're going to do 30 grams, which is basically 2 tablespoons. Alrighty. Now, I'm going to microwave this, and I'll be right back. And there you go. So that's the Rouse Marinara and Rouse Alfredo. If you want to use heavy cream, go ahead. I'm just watching my calories along with my carbs. So that's how it looks. And that is my soup and my burgers and veggies. So that's what's going to be supper tonight. Here's my macros for the day. Same as yesterday. Ha ha.